welcome back to my channel. Finally, Precious is doing a YouTube video again. We thank God. I want to give thanks to God and to all the people that have been frustrating on Instagram to come back here and do a video for you guys. I'm so sorry I've been MIA, but you know, life happens and a lot of responsibilities come your way, but let me shut up now. So let me not waste your time. If you're on my Instagram, you know how I carry my makeup for 1 day, 2 days, and you guys are like, wow, how do you do it? Well, today's your lucky day because I'm going to be teaching you guys how I get my makeup to stay for more than 24 hours, the products I use, and what is the most long-lasting foundation that is also waterproof. So stick around and don't go anywhere. Bye. So guys, I just started off by doing my brows off camera as usual, and then I'm going in with my 24 karat serum from xoxo Cosmetics. This has really helped my skincare routine. Even when I'm not doing makeup, I always use this all over my face because it's necessary. I use it as a primer. I use it as like a golden uplifter, ample leaf, as they'll say. Next up, I'm using my MS Cosmetics moisture potion. If I go speak English, I don't know. I allow this dry whenever I use it over my skin. It's a good moisturizer as well, and you know, it has to dry. Afterwards, I'm using this concealer from xoxo Cosmetics in creamy beige, and I'm just putting this all over my eyeshadow. I'm using it as an eyeshadow base for my crease. Then afterwards, I'm going to be going in with Royal Cosmetics Makeup Powder Palette. This is my lifesaver. Imagine going to work, I just carried this, and I've carried an eyeshadow and a powder in one. I'm using the darkest brown in the palette to cut my crease and also give an illusion by the side of my eyes to create a brown smoky texture. Also darkening it with another dark brown from the same palette and creating, you know, beauty strokes. Afterwards, I'm going to blend out the harsh lines with a clean brush all over so that it looks less harsh. I cut my crease with P. Louise, and I'm going in with Huda Beauty. I'm using this Trust Fund all over my crease just to give it a golden touch. This is a tutorial I had performed before. Afterwards, I am doing priming, and by priming, I'm using my Nivea Shave After Shave Balm. This is my go-to primer. 1, because it's easy to find. 2, because it's actually used by shavers whenever they shave so that they can, you know, stop the pores from clogging and the rest. So this is good for my skin, especially when you want your makeup to last all day. And for this to work, you have to make sure it dries into your skin. Don't pack too much, let it dry and sit in your skin. I advise you to sit in front of a fan and make sure this dries into your skin. I repeat, it has to dry into your skin. If not, you're just going to make a mess of any foundation you're going to touch on your face. So you see how I'm just blending all of that out. Please always allow it dry. Don't be in a hurry. If you're in a hurry, then don't bother ever using this at all. After this, I'm using my Lindors foundation. This is a waterproof foundation, tested and trusted. You guys know that I always bring you tested and trusted stuff. So it's a bit lighter than me, but I'm obviously going to make it work. Please, I also want to apologize for my dark neck. I don't know what's happening. If you also have like solutions to having dark necks, I don't know, maybe it's from necklaces or jewelries, please hit me up. I'm just using a brush all over my skin to dab the foundation in. You don't have to use too much for this to become waterproof. As far as you've primed, you don't even need to prime. You can use this all over your skin, and trust me, it will stay long, and it's also waterproof. You can wait to the end of the video where I'll show you where I used it. Afterwards, I'm using my xoxo Cosmetics Makeup Fix. This is needed because, trust me, setting spray and you do makeup, if you don't have it, just go home and sleep. It's not gonna work. After I allow that dry, I'm gonna eat because I'm hungry, and this voice note as I'm recording is if I do hunger, I know if you understand. So I'm concealing underneath my eyes with xoxo Cosmetics again in the same creamy beige, and I'm not packing too much because I already have a waterproof foundation on my skin. I'm also trying to hide my smile lines, which always embarrass me and my family. I do this because I don't want to have breakages by my face. This doesn't stop it completely, but it reduces it. But like maybe by the next day, I already have smile lines. So this is good for me as well. I'm going in with Black Opal in Carbo to contour my face, my very fat face. and I'm just putting it by my hairline as well, and I'm contouring with a flat brush. Afterwards, I'm going to use powder to contour as well. This same Royal Cosmetics powder palette, I can use it to contour and highlight my face because they're dark shades, they're light shades, so it just makes it easy for me, and I don't have to start carrying contour kit or anything around when you just have this palette or any other brand's palette. So you see, I'm just highlighting underneath my eyes. This is basically the makeup I do whenever I know I'm going to take my makeup for more than 2 days. And trust me, I know when I'm going to do it. So this is me now. I'm just going to blend all of that out with a powder that is in my shade from the same powder palette. Trust me. And like I said again, setting spray, and I spray loads of it just to allow the makeup sit and blend into my skin, and I wait for it to dry. Afterwards, what's my makeup without my Glowdess highlighter? I'm not putting too much because obviously I don't want my skin to start looking burnt in the daytime. I'm just going to put a bit by my cheeks and my forehead to create the illusion that I am a queen, And after this, I'm going to be doing my lips. I did a mixture of concussion lips. I don't know how it happened, and I figured I wasn't recording. I was just like, what, they'll figure it out. But I'll do another tutorial showing you how my lips are, and that's all. That's how I became a baby girl. Guys, so we've come to the end of this video, and I really hope you guys did enjoy the video and learn as well. It's one thing to enjoy the video, it's another thing to learn. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all my social media platforms, which is going to be on the screen hopefully. And yeah, I just wanted to add a couple of things that maybe I must have not said, but I just want to give a disclaimer that if your skin is prone to acne or you have skin reactions whenever you use makeup, I would not advise you to go through this entire process of keeping your makeup on for more than a day. Please, I do this because most times I'm always so tired to take off my makeup the next day, and I have shoots back-to-back weekends. So if I have makeup on Friday, I really want to just use it Saturday, Sunday, and sometimes if I'm too lazy, on Monday. So with that ado, I'm going to have a shoot this morning. This is about 3 a.m. I'm going to have a shoot by 7 a.m. and I have another one in the evening. I'm going to do an update video showing my face without touch-ups. This makeup is going to last. And I want to also give a big shout out to Lindors foundation. They're really doing a good job. This is a waterproof foundation. I actually did swim with this, and they also produced one of the brow pencils I used at a point in time that is semi-permanent and doesn't clean. So now they have 24 hours foundation. They just want to chop our money, and they know the kind of condition or weather condition that we have here in Nigeria, which is almost impossible to not have makeup further on your skin. So yes, finally, this is my secret to my 24 hours makeup, 48 hours makeup, and I hope you enjoyed it. And yes, let me know waste more time. Bye.